Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change your phone number on your account on Signal, easy and quickly. So enter Signal and then click on your profile, then click on account. So as you see here we have change phone number, so click on it and click continue. Then as you see here enter your old number and then your new number and click continue, and it will be changed. So that's it. That's how to change your number, or how where you want to change it here and this account settings. So that's it. That's how to change your number easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.